Yeah, ma'am. Can I go on?
Yeah, please go on. All yours.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Uh, Hello, class. Welcome to everyone. Hello.
All right, guys, you will have to acknowledge yes, no, maybe, because he is not able to see you guys. Teja,
Ma'am.
can you see that?
No, ma'am. Can you
No.
just tilt the camera down? Yeah, I can see them, ma'am.
All right, you
Yeah,
are able to
ma'am.
see them?
Yeah,
Everyone is
ma'am.
visible to you? All right, great. All right, Teja, hand over to you. You can go on. I'm logging from a different account. All right.
Okay, ma'am. Uh, Hello, students. Hello, everyone. Firstly, I want to know which batch you are, which sem are you in? Hello. Sorry. Fourth sem. Okay, okay. So you're currently completing the second year, right? Okay, okay, fine. Uh, Firstly, I want to thank our directors, Govind Raja sir, Dr. Shiva Singh, and Abid Hussain Mair for giving me the opportunity for session. And we are from Softufon Technology Private Limited, and we have been collaborated with FinTech IT Service Private Limited, and we are working together on various domain. And today they had been assigned me the class on cloud computing, and I will be handling the cloud computing. And firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Damatej, and I've been working as a freelancer and a web developer. And currently, I'm an cloud computing trainer in Bangalore. And let's go for the class. Okay, is that clear? So I want to know how's the Josh in the class? I'm. It's not enough. Be louder.
Give me a loud hi. Say yes.
Okay, that's the Josh. Okay, let's move on to move on to class. And firstly, I want to know what you guys know about the cloud computing in your own words. Tell me how you has been used the cloud computing in your own words. How you used cloud computing? Have you ever used any cloud computing based software? Hmm? Yeah, Google presentation, Docs. You have used that. Hmm? Okay. And so let me tell you the what the current developments are happening in the cloud computing technologies. Okay. Firstly, you know that where the cloud computing is highly required for. So cloud computing. So cloud computing is for reaching out to the remote areas, right? So if a Google develops the application in the US itself, how it reaches to us? It reaches through cloud computing and various optic fibers, communication, and through various resources. But in the cloud computing, where the database and the server hosting will be in a remote area, and he will reach across the globe. And firstly, what are the cloud computing services are provided at the present situation means, have you know the have you come across any the personalized treatment uh, personalized treatment in medical world, and blockchain technology.
Teja, hold on for a second. Let him get your question. All right. Any hands on the
Ma'am, no, ma'am, just a brief concept, ma'am. brief concept on personalized treatment based on cloud computing.
Any idea? Okay.
Okay, fine. I'll move on. Uh, you know about IBM. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. So IBM is currently developing the personalized treatment for based on cloud computing, where it uses a doctor and it uses the artificial intelligence to study and it deploy through the cloud computing those technologies and help the doctor to provide and personalized treatment. It is based on the gene therapy. It helps them based on the study on the gene and give a preferred based treatment for the individual patient. And these solves various diseases in India. And further, you know about the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a decentralized network development and data sharing facilities will be provided in uh, blockchain cloud computing, where and you know that blockchain. Have you come across that blockchain technology? Have you heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum?
Heard of Bitcoin? Okay. Can we ask questions, Teja, on Bitcoin then? They are aware of Bitcoin.
So,
Yeah. Anyone can
so
you
who
tell
is
me?
the founder of Bitcoin? Who is the founder of Bitcoin?
Who is the founder of Bitcoin, guys? Who founded Bitcoin? Why Bitcoin came into existence? Any idea? Teja, go.
So his name is Satoshi Nakamoto, and he is a Japanese. It was founded after the financial crisis in 2008. And let okay, this was a brief introduction how the cloud computing is beneficial, and there are further.
Teja, hold on for a second. Okay. Bitcoin concept came, okay, as I said, in 2008, okay. The IBM had a tool called as RTO, okay. That's when we, as a pilot batch, we were working for them, okay, in 2007. In 2007, what happened? There was a decision made, okay. Actually, we don't call that as a decision made. It was like cost to company reduction they wanted to do, all right. Now, during that time, IBM told people like experienced hackers. They said more of the company, all right. That's where this Bitcoin existence came into the market. Okay, what they started doing, there was one particular software which was developed by IBM, what we call it as RTF tool, which is a concept called as Lotus. Okay, not the Lotus that we see. Okay, it's a software. What this software will do, it will automatically, track the bugs. So on my particular network or on my particular domain or a mail which is coming inside and going outside, and it will save it inside my IBM cloud. Okay, so when these people are walking around, right, when we invest something, it is cost effective. Right? Now, since it was cost effective, what these people started doing, they got the methodology called as Bitcoin. Okay, now Bitcoin will work just like your, you can say the active servers on your network. Okay, proxy servers are there. Alright, this is when the circumference was built for the server in order to communicate from one end to the other. That was the whole concept why IBM brought this Bitcoin in 2008. Now still that's there. Still people are getting fired because they took their jobs. Alright, software took their jobs. Alright, yes Teja, over to you.
Okay, so this was I mean in the level of cloud computing in the present world. Okay, so let me start with your basics. So you are in a fourth sem, and you might be come across basics, right? Have you? Is there in your curriculum? Have you come across your curriculum?
Basics of Teja cloud computing.
Yes, ma'am. Basics of cloud computing in the curriculum.
Are you guys having cloud computing as a subject in your engineering? Okay, the syllabus differs here, Teja. They don't have.
Okay.
Several, they are North Indian students.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, fine, ma'am. Fine.
University of
Fine.
Jammu.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Because
Okay.
this, according to say, this don't get upset because the syllabus are different in South and when compared to the North. Alright, that's an
Okay.
introductory chapter in your courses. Alright, yeah,
Fine.
you can go on, Teja.
Okay. So before starting with the cloud computing, let me show you my project. Okay, we are doing a project. In that project, how we use a cloud computing, we will I will go by step through my project, and I will show you how my project is using the cloud computing and the database which is not present in our company. It is present across the USA. So they are providing a part of it, a free software. I am using it. Okay, so let me show
Okay,
you.
hold on for a second, 1 minute. Guys, so whatever practical he's going to do, he will not do it now. Okay, please, this is our server. Okay, Bangalore server that we are accessing. What you will do is you will just write down the steps. Then we have a couple of practical that you have to design and create this. Alright, you can write it down. You can make a note in your laptops or notepad, however you feel like. Alright, but you will not do anything on your own. Daman sir, please have a look on the laptops. Madam, please.
So just a
Alright.
second, I will share. I will share my screen.
Done, done. Yes, please do not do anything. You
So
can write
guys,
down this.
can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can see this one. So you can see my project, right? So you can see an Android phone, a virtual device.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is a virtual device. Okay. So how the system has an OS, and this virtual device has an its own operating system. Okay. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what we do is, so here we are developing user application. So it is a front end, right? Okay, so this
Yes.
front end, it needs a connection to fetch back the data and to provide the data whenever it needs, right? So what we do is we have to we have to give a connection to a backend. So for what we use is, so for our convenience we use a
Teja, 1 second.
microservice.
Teja, 1 second, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, this is a program that we are writing to create this particular block. Okay, now when I'm creating this block, first I have to link this to a particular server. Alright, now we are not giving a direct link, we are creating this on a virtual server. Now when I give you the task right after the session, so we are going to assign you practical. I want you to create your own virtual service, all right? So before we do that, I have to write a program, all right? All of you know how to write a program, all right? In code and how will you open C tablets and all. Yes or no? SQL? How many of you know SQL?
Ma'am, sorry.
All
Ma'am,
right, Teja, go on.
I won't give, such a typical task. I will give them lighter thing. I will
Yeah,
make them
better to
to,
give a easy one.
I will
No,
make them
you're
to use
hosting.
an AI platform. Ma'am, I will teach them AI
AI
platform.
is
That will
fine.
be good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Don't give
ma'am.
anything
I will teach
related to
them
the
an.
company.
Okay, ma'am. This one is just a demo project, ma'am. This is a demo project.
So, you're hosting it.
Okay, see, here I'm not showing you the actual IP address, but here we use a local hosting through, as you can see, right? I'm making an IP address and I'm using it to create I'm generating an API. So what are these APIs are? So these are the guiding steps. These are like guiding steps where data has to travel, how it has to data has to travel, and how the system has to respond back if the data has been failing to move into a database. So when my data is successfully added, see, you can see the terminal, right? So you can see my terminal, right? So it is
Yes,
visible
sir.
in my screen. So here see, you can read that connected to server at 2000. It is a port number. Okay. So these servers travel through the cloud. Okay, and it is showing my data what I had been given in a login browser. So you can see, right. So here. So here in my phone, when I give this data, so it will go and it will travel through the server, and this server it will go to the MongoDB. So MongoDB cloud, and here my data will be shared. Okay, my data will be saved. So you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see the data. Okay, so is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Teja,
the present thing.
yeah, can you please repeat it once again?
Okay.
Teja, can you please repeat it once again from the local server where we enter the IP, right? You get the terminal.
Okay, ma'am.
Terminal.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. See, see, this is the program. So this is a program for a server hosting. So this is the program for server hosting where we had given our IP address for local host, because we are in a this one we are in a demo phase and we are testing it, and this phase, and we had given a programming, and sorry, this one. So this is an IP address, and where we add our product and we give the directions how the data has to travel. If have you come across 404 when your server gets an error when you are not able to connect to the browser, Google browser? There is an HTTP error 404, HTTP status 404.
HTTP 404 error. What does it indicate? What does it indicate? The server that means your server is not functioning. Alright, they know that they say that server is not functioning. Teja.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. That's good. So further,
Teja,
so
hold on.
this is what an advanced technology does. Okay, if
Alright. Teja, hold on for a second. Alright, guys, actually, there are a couple of server errors. Okay, page not found, page and error 404 error, 406 error, 507. Alright, 1000 errors. Okay, now what happens is 404 error is an error whenever the server is not communicating, it is not able to communicate with the actual server, and it is getting the information from a duplicate server, and it forces, okay, it try to push the information on the screen of the user in the message as server not. Okay, otherwise also it is called as a proxy server. You can say SRL underscore diagnostic and feedback runtime run the program. Okay, this what got it? Yeah. So in that I'm going to ask all this. Is it Teja, go on.
yeah, ma'am, sure. So you had come across how we are using an advanced database which is in a cloud. Okay. So what was the before? I mean, so what we are using a current technology. What was used before? Before the cloud computing means you can see that. So there were huge servers which has to be maintained by company. Okay, they used to cause high energy costs, and they require a workforce, and lot of electricity is required. Okay, for that there was a heavy burden on maintaining the company. So to eradicate that, what we had come across, and for each server, these servers, what they had a drawback means, for every application you need to have a different server. Okay, so because we had every application where is the dependencies. For example, um, you need a file picking, I mean, you need to pick the photos in this one, like Amazon and all. When you need to sell a product, you need to put the you need to put the you need to put the photos, right? Photos. You need photos for Amazon, and for video editing apps like some there are other video editing apps, right? You need not to put any. I mean, upload anything. So such dependencies varies. They will be available in cloud, and we for adding it varies from application to on demand of application to application. Okay, so such things. So such for that only a single server which was not been efficient, so it was not able to maintain. So for that further to eradicate the problem, so we had come across an hypervisor software. So what is this hypervisor software?
Teja, hold on for a second. Okay, guys.
Okay.
What do you mean by hypervisor, host, and host? What is the relation between them? What exactly? Very, very important. Now, one suggestion from the government, you want to all us over here. Whenever you attend some workshop, right, do some R&D and software session. Okay, so that becomes easier because let us go to the computers. Right? So I want you to do any workshop, no matter the task, in near future, whenever you do, if you know, like I think the faculty, teacher, management, including the announcing the way before. Alright? Just go through what is cybersecurity, what kind of tools they use, why this is used, you have to do research. Your engineering students, instead of using tools, you have to do research. Yeah? So you should know all these things. Okay, most okay. Now what happens is we call this as a ghost. Okay, ghost is called as a ghost. You know why? You have any idea why? No? Okay. What is bits and bytes? What is a bit and what is a byte? Storage units, very good. What else? What is the bits and bytes? What is the difference?
Is a collection of bits.
Ah, okay. I was thinking I would say wrong. Good. Okay. Bits and bytes are nothing but a combination of zeros and ones. Agree? Yeah? Because my system can understand the binary language. All the zeros and ones merge together, club together, will become my bytes. Now, bits are the single individual number, or you can say binary format, which is calculated in the terms of 2 to the power of n. Yeah? So, the 2 to the power of 2 up to the 50, we don't create 256 bits or bytes or echoes on a particular network. Alright? Now all the ones in your network is calculated as your network ID. Alright? All the zeros on your network are calculated as your host ID. Why we call zeros as host ID is whenever the communication happens from your router. Okay? The gateway whenever it sends the information, it blocks, it hides. You know what is encryption and decryption, right? What is encryption and what is decryption? Sit in my mouth. Alright. Okay. Very correct. Have you heard of converting cryptography into ciphertext? What is it? Hi, hello, how are you? Sita, how are you? This is a ciphertext, right? Now I hide there, I say 101, 001, 221, that is an encryption. Okay? Now when this information seeks to inside my router, okay, when it sends the information to the router, what happens is it will keep only the values of the network IDs. Okay? It will keep the host ID as a security, as a bounded information inside the network so nobody can see it. But people like us, we still try penetrating inside. Okay? That's what we are going to do it. Yeah? Yeah? So once today you go home, I want you people to do a little bit of research on this. Okay? If you are really looking for career perspective. Okay, just for real then. Right? Yeah? Okay. Yes, Teja, go on.
No. Um, Further, I wanna just a minute, ma'am. Okay. So let me start, ma'am. So here, you can see that. So you can see that hypervisor, right? So hypervisor is a virtual
Teja,
machine.
hold on. Teja, 1 second. Teja, 1 second.
Mhm.
Abhi connect your system. Connect your system. Teja, hold on. There's a power cut.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All right, Teja, we are back. Teja, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. So these hypervisor, it has both software and also the hardware components. Okay. So it enables us to create the virtual machines. So what happens from these virtual machines? We can create various applications which has an independent dependencies from each other. Okay. These helps us to create more machines with using a single server. Okay, so in this hypervisor, there are two types of hypervisor. Please note it down. It may be helpful for you guys. Okay, so there are two types of hypervisors. One is bare metal hypervisor, and another one is hosted hypervisor. So bare metal hypervisor is used for running the directly on host system. Either
Teja, hello.
okay,
Guys, can
ma'am.
I talk in my language if you don't mind? Yeah. ತೇಜ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಾ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೇ
ತೇಜ
ಇರೋದು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೇ
ನಾಟ್
ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ ಹಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಫಸ್ಟ್
ವೈಫೈ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಕಾನ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್
ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಕೇಳು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೀವು
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಆಚೆ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಆಚೆ
ವೈಫೈ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಂ
ಹಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೆತ್ತಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ